Hi guys, today I'm back with another mold testing. Today's a Trinket box and I've already partly started it because I wanted to do this in 2 pours. So yesterday I poured this with a little holographic silver glitter, and that's just the handle for the lid. And then I have half poured this with a holographic hot pink glitter because I had some left over from another project. So today we're just going to fill the rest of the lid and the base here. So I've already pre-mixed my glitter. And we're just going to fill up the rest of this mold. Okay, I'm excited to see how that turns out. I'm going to pop those little bubbles with my little blowtorch, and I will let that cure for a few days at least, and I'll be back for the unmolding. Okay, it's been a few days, time to unmold. That's the lid. Very nice. Okay. Oh gosh. There you go. Wow, it's pretty. Oh, how sweet. Wow, I think it's turned out great, and it was pretty easy to do as well. So totally recommend and give it a go. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll catch you next time. I'm going to test out a lot more molds this weekend, so they'll be coming to you soon. See you guys. Bye.